So let's take a look at this one, in which we're going to try to determine the amount of excess reagent. So the excess is the one that gets left over. So limited gets used up, the excess gets left over, and I want to figure out, well, how much of this excess reagent is going to be left over? It be in your flask, beaker, whatever the case. So I have 0.25 moles of aluminum. It reacts with 0.250 moles of oxygen, and then we're going to form our aluminum oxide. So what I'm going to do with this is that I pick one of these reagents. Like for instance, in this case, I'm going to start with this. 0.25 moles of aluminum, and I want to see, well, how many moles of oxygen is required for it to react? So 0.2. Couple of things, I'll look at the mole to mole ratio, so it's 4 to 3. So 4 moles of aluminum requires 3 moles of oxygen. So I'll put the 4 moles of aluminum on the bottom. And 3 moles of oxygen on top. So if I do that, I find out that 0.25 moles of aluminum requires 0.188 moles of oxygen. Well, I added 0.25 moles of oxygen. So 0.25 is greater than what I require, so my excess is going to be oxygen. I only need 0.18 moles to react with 0.25 moles of aluminum, but I added 0.25 moles of oxygen. So my oxygen is the excess. The amount of excess now, I'm going to subtract now how much I added minus how much did I need. So this is my excess, 0.062 moles of oxygen. You can convert it to grams if you want to. Use the molar mass. So 1 mole I think it's about 0.198 grams of oxygen. So in this case now, my aluminum, if all of that reacts, I only need 0.18 moles of oxygen. Well, I added 0.25, so that's my excess. So subtract the amount you added from the amount that you needed. That's your moles of oxygen. I convert to grams. You don't have to convert to grams, but I convert to grams. I got 0.198 grams of oxygen that's left over.